Hey everyone, welcome. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, and I like to put out weekly videos on things related to the home, DIY, organizing, cooking, cleaning, and sometimes even a few little beauty things thrown in there. Am I an expert? Absolutely not. I just like to try all kinds of different things and share them with you and maybe get some inspiration from you guys as well. Today is a quick video. I hope it's a quick DIY that I use to help take off my eye makeup at night. I use waterproof mascara, always have, probably always will, and no shame in that. But sometimes it can be a little tricky to take it off, and you know, as we women age, we have to be careful, and you know, our eyelashes and our eyebrows start to thin out a little bit. So this DIY that I have been using for a few months now, I am noticing a huge difference in my eyelash regrowth and even my eyebrow regrowth a little bit. Now I do pencil in my eyebrows, especially on at the very beginning of them, because that's where I find they are getting the thinnest. But after using castor oil, I find that I'm getting a little bit of regrowth happening, definitely on my eyelashes. My eyelashes are getting longer and a little bit thicker, especially in the corner where I was finding the most loss in my eyelashes. So when I was researching on exactly how I could maybe help with the thinning of my eyelashes and my eyebrows, and I kept coming across the combination of the coconut oil and the castor oil. So I did a little bit more research on the castor oil, and I was surprised how many different benefits you can get from using this. Things like for your eyelashes and your eyebrows, to even the skin underneath your eyes, the dark circles, to even relieving muscle and joint pain. I haven't really tried that, but something to think about. It's all natural and it contains a lot of essential fatty acids that the skin needs, especially as we age, that needs to be replenished. So it's a great source for these missing nutrients in our skin. So to take off my eye makeup, I have been using coconut oil. You've probably read and heard a lot of great things about using coconut oil for skincare, washing, moisturizing, and I do love it for all that stuff, even for your hair. I do love it for that stuff. But I've also started mixing in the two together to make my DIY eye makeup remover. And I think the combination of the two has really been helping my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And of course the condition of my skin, especially underneath the eyes. So what I do at night after I've cleansed my face is and I've applied all my other products, my moisturizers and all that kind of good stuff. It's the last step I do before I climb into bed, is I will take some of the castor oil and just rub it along each of my eyebrows. And then I usually take like a little disposable mascara wand that I found at my local beauty store, or I'll put some on my fingertips and I'll just run it along my eyelashes and just dab it in. And that's it. And it really does seem to be working. I'm especially finding in my eyelashes that they're not as thin as they used to be, and I am seeing the regrowth, especially on the inner corner where I was really noticing it before, where they were really kind of disappearing. Now the other interesting thing I'm finding is I don't find them falling out as much either, so I'm really happy with that. So I think it's really doing its job, and I'm really happy with the results. So stick with me and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these together. All I did was I buy these little containers from the dollar store. They come with a nice little lid, and this is what I'm going to keep my eye makeup remover in. So I'm going to take some coconut oil. I'm going to take a few maybe a big scoop. However much you want in there. Now I'm going to take some castor oil. And I'm going to add in some. There's really no measurements to this. It's however much of each you want in there. And then it's just stirring them, mixing them together. Put the lid on, and I'll keep that in my bathroom. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make your own DIY eye makeup / makeup remover, and perhaps you might even think about giving it a try and see how it works for you. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, so I hope you give it a try. But I'd love to hear from you below if you have any tips and tricks on taking off your makeup. Do you have a product that you love? Anything that's helped you? You know, with all these anti-aging products out on the market, sometimes it's very overwhelming to know what to use. But I'd love to know from you in the comments below if there's something that you love to use. So until next time, I hope if you like this video, you'll give it a thumbs up for a like, and maybe even share it with a girlfriend or two, a sister, a mom. Maybe one of them might benefit from these little tips and tricks. And even think about hitting that red button below and subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join the Diva family here. So until next time, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.